Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Lily, and today we are going to be doing a proof with the braid. Things you will need. You will need 2 bobby pins and that switch. Okay. Then you are going to take your bangs, just gather them up. Make them go upwards like this. Okay, once you have your hair all cool, nice, then you're just going to take this and you're going to twist it. Twisting helps me proof it. Then what you're going to do is proof it up. Then you want to take your 2 bobby pins, open it up, and try to make an X shape with the bobby pins. This will really help. Then, the leftover hair of your bangs, you're just going to braid. All we're doing is a simple braid. We're not doing a French braid or anything. If you do not know how to do a simple braid, go on our channel and we have a video on how to do a simple braid. We might be making another one too. I'm braiding. Okay. We are almost done. We have a little bit more of a section.
And you can either, when you're finished, hair tie it back, or you can use a bobby pin just to tuck it right in your hair.
But for this, we're just going to leave it down. No, me and Michelle think it looks pretty nice. But that's our opinion. So, now that we're done with the braids, me and Michelle are just going to leave it loose. Now you see the braid and the poop. And let's forward and show them the head. Now, you can curl it with a wand, curling iron, and styler, or you can just do it with some waves. Michelle has some pretty waves right now, as you can see. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe and like.
Thanks for watching.
Comment, please. Okay, bye guys.